So what are you doing, Mommy?
Haven't seen you guys in a good while. I'm here with my grandson Abel, and we're gonna try to make some popcorn from scratch.
Okay.
So I'm gonna melt some butter here in the microwave.
All right, here you go.
Hope I don't burn up anything, guys.
You ain't gonna burn it up.
Okay, this is the melted butter.
Okay.
We got kernels here we're gonna mix with
Popcorn oil.
Popcorn oil.
I guess it's coated.
Probably be.
And then put that in the seasonings, Dougie. Which ones we gonna? You gonna pick that one?
We're gonna do kettle corn.
What's the other one?
Sour and onion.
So we're gonna do
Sour
the kettle
cream
corn.
and onion. So we're gonna pick the kettle corn.
You gotta pour some of that in there.
Here. I've never made this before, so I really don't know what I'm doing. Whoa.
That's good.
I might have overdone it.
It seems like it's never enough.
Think we need more?
More seasoning? Probably.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little more in here. I came from the old school. We didn't measure anything. I got it from my grandmother.
No, go ahead and pour it in there.
Touch of this, a touch of that.
Alright.
Okay.
Stir it up. Is that enough oil in there?
Mm-hmm.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure it's enough oil in there. Does it look like it's enough oil? It's still dry.
Let's see. It look like it.
It's enough oil?
Okay.
Get your paper bag.
Paper bag. And we're going to pour this in the bag.
Yep. Yep.
All right.
And you got to fold it up.
Fold your bag up.
Three minutes.
And this goes back into the microwave now.
Fold it down a little bit more. Okay, so
we're going to 3 minutes, guys.
We're gonna try. Microwave be fast.
This is a super hot microwave. Here, we might can do it faster.
Yeah, probably. I hear it popping.
There you go, guys.
She's excited.
Wow. I like that. Wow. Pow, pow. That's kind of fun, guys.
Yeah, it's fun. And you don't have to pay all that money for the microwavable bags.
Lord knows we got to save every penny we can get.
Got that right.
Wow. Wow, look at that. You can see it popping up, guys. Wow.
You excited too? You are?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Still popping.
Wow.
Really
That's when they say it's slow up and
take it out.
burns. Get slow enough. You the popcorn maker.
Yeah, it gets slow up.
Slowed up.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna stop it.
All right.
You can hear it slowing up.
Yeah. Yours is really 2 minutes. Wow. Gotta tell them what.
Oh,
Yes.
Go back over here for me.
Yeah, still get it back. Okay.
Okay, look guys, this looks
came out good.
very good. And we're gonna pour some warm butter, or I can't believe it's not butter over this.
I gotta buy some real butter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow.
I guess she's
Shake it up, guys.
She's shaking it up.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake it. Wow. Now we're gonna try it.
You taste.
Dig in there, Abel. I'm gonna dig in here myself.
pretty good.
Like it?
This is really good, guys.
Yeah, it's good. It's fresh.
And we know it got good ingredients in it.
That's
it's
true.
Really
Make it
great.
yourself, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You might put some more of that kettle corn seasoning on there.
You
can't really taste it, right?
more on there. Taste it somewhat.
I guess it take a while for you to get it. I don't know which way.
Take that for me, Abel.
Wow, you can't get it either. You shake it, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's great.
They had caramel corn too.
Now all we need is a good movie. So thank you guys. You guys have a good holiday. Good. Enjoy yourselves. Be kind to one another and stay safe.
You too. You stay safe.
Hey.